7 fasting benefits that you didn't know. Reduces diabetes by reducing insulin resistance and blood sugar. Fasting reduces inflammation, improves the microbiota, and reduces C-reactive protein, the main cause of chronic diseases. Better heart health. Fasting reduces hypertension, blood cholesterol, and triglycerides. Fasting protects against neurological diseases, increasing neurogenesis and neuroprotection, promoting better brain function. Best form of weight loss. Fasting is even better than caloric restriction because enhances weight loss, body fat burning, and belly fat, the worst kind of fat. Fasting can increase longevity, upregulating sirtuins, a species of your microbiota that is actually correlated with longevity. Want to know more about fasting? As I say in Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, only 37 hours of fasting increases growth hormone in 10 times. Follow to know more and read Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, available on Amazon.